this is ELSSICA and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we'll remind you of sunshine, summer, and just anything bubbly, just like the weather like now. And so I called it the sunny summer makeup look. First, I'll be using this cushion by Dior. It has a very light texture. It feels like a tinted moisturizer, but at the same time, it's not gonna make my face look oily or sticky. It smells good too. It has an SPF 35 and a matte finishing look. So the key to using a cushion foundation is to just dabbing it all the way. This will allow you to achieve a better coverage since it's very lightweight. Also, it's easier to blend and even up the foundation all over my face. Since Dior Cushion Foundation has a very light coverage, next I'll be using this liquid concealer from Clio to conceal my panda eyes. And I also put it on the area where I will usually apply my highlighter to kind of brighten up my face. Next, moving on to the eyebrow, I'll be using my usual eyebrow gel pencil. First is from this Etude house to kind of line my brows to make it look neater and to make the shape more even, like so. Next, I'll be using another brow pencil from Etude House. This time around, the tip of the pencil is actually very slim, so I usually use this to shade my brow, to fill in my brows, like so, just by using a very light stroking motion to achieve a very natural brows. Here I'll be using a Q-tip to blend everything together to make it even look more natural. And I'm just gonna be using this brow Cara from Etude House to lighten my brow hair to make it similar like my hair color. Moving on to the bronzer, I'll be using this one from Too Cool for School and mixing all the three colors together and apply it at the outer corner of my face like so, using an angled brush. Moving on to the fun part, so it will be the eyeshadow. Today I'll be using this one from Pony. It's their Easy Shine Glam 3 and I'll be using this as the base shade to apply it all over my eyes and under my eyes as well, like so. So as you can tell, it's like a very orangey and peachy tone shade and it looks very refreshing on the eyes to remind me of summer or maybe spring as well. Next, I'll be taking this color, this orange color from Chica by Chico Duo Blusher and applying it all over my eyes and under my eyes as well, like so. And taking this yellow color to apply it under my eyes, but it's only at the front portion of my eyes. Next, I'll be applying this color to apply it all over my lids like so. And I'm using this brush to apply the same color on under my eyes as well. Next, I'll be using this Eumura palette, taking the very pop orange that they have and apply it at the outer corner of my eyes like so. And also under my eyes as well. Next, I'll be using this color from the same palette and apply it at the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up my eyes like so. Next, I'll be taking this color and to kind of apply it like an eyeliner at the outer corner of my eyes and at the front portion of my eyes to add more depth to it, since I don't want it to look so smoky. So this is the kind of tips that you guys can do when you guys are doing your makeup. As you can tell, it adds more depth to the eyes. Next, I'll be applying this Gleam Pop Glitter in the color Cuddly by Candy Lab and just applying it on the center of my lids like so. And don't forget to apply it at your aegyo cell area, which is under your eyes area as well. Here I'm just applying it at the center area as well. Next, I'll be curling my lashes using my Eumura curler. Remember to be gentle when you're curling your lashes. To tightline my eyes and to draw the wings on my eyes, for today's look, the wings will be a very fine and short wings, just to kind of enhance the appearance of my eyes and to make it look longer and make it appear bigger. Next, I'll be taking that bronze color from the Eumura palette to apply it on top of my wing liners that I've just drawn previously to make it look more natural and to kind of slightly smoke out the color of the eyeshadows. And also don't forget to apply under my eyes as well. Next, I'll be applying this mascara in the color Camel Brown to apply it on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna be adding these fake lashes. As you can tell, these lashes has two colors. In the middle is brown and at the end portion is black color. This is just gonna enhance my eyes and to make my eyelashes to look fuller. And again, I'm just gonna be curling my lashes again to kind of make the real lashes and the fake lashes to stick together and to curl up naturally. Next, I'll be using this blusher, the one that I used previously on my eyes, mixing the two colors together, the yellow and the orange, and just applying it all over my cheeks like so. Dab, dab, dab. And applying it around my nose area as well, like so. It kind of creates that kind of sunburn look, but it's not sunburn, obviously. And I'm using the Too Cool for School bronzer palette, taking the first two lighter shade of the color and contour my nose area like so. And for the lipstick, I'll be using this one from Pera in the Hitwave orange color. And adding it another layer just at the middle portion to make the color to appear more popped. And I like to use my finger to blend everything together to smoothen out the outer area, like so. And as you can tell, it looks perfectly blended. Next, I'll be using this Dior Lip Maximizer to apply it as a top coat, not really a top coat, but to apply it over my lips to have that glossy kind of effect. And that's all for my video today. And we are done for today's look. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. That's all for today's look, and see you in my next video. Bye!
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound.